Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In today's task, I'm gonna tell you a little bit story about someone that innovate and inspire me. I actually have some different person that has inspired me the most, but I chose this guy because it is the maybe the well-known person between all of us. This is Elon Musk, and he he is the CEO of multiple multi-billion dollar companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and also he just recently bought Twitter that was renamed to X, and and the story and his success is not just as instant as you cook an Indomie. So he came from the hard worker teenager. While he was in his childhood in the South Africa, he made a software, a game, game software to be specific. It's just a simple game that you can shoot the enemies, and he made about a few hundred dollars out of it. And after that, in the age of 20 something, he opened his first company that is called Zip2 and also X.com. That was a banking company like the fintech that was later to be bought by PayPal. So this guy is the co-founder of PayPal, and after he sold his company PayPal, he made his now the infamous company like Tesla and also SpaceX. He wanted to make the satellite launch to be affordable, and also he had his crazy dreams like the rockets can go back and land it by themselves. And at first, people thought that was impossible and crazy idea. Yeah, like I thought it was. And then he didn't give up, and he just continued to pursue his dream to make a reliable aerospace company. He went to the Russia to buy the refurbished ICBM from the Russian government, and it was failed. The negotiation was failed, and then he thought, why not? Why don't you make the rocket by yourself? It is more easier and it is more cheaper than buying the refurbished ICBM. And so he made his first rocket, but in the first 3 launches of his rocket, it was completely failure. None of the rockets successfully launched into the space. It's not even make it into the orbit of the Earth. And then in his fourth rocket, and it is his last budget on his company SpaceX. It was a success, and he got a contract with U.S. government to make a rocket to send the resupply for the International Space Station, about 1 billion, 2 billion, something like that. And then he continued to make his dreams come true. That is, make the rocket land by itself in the Earth. You know, usually the rocket, after they launch into the space, they just gonna thrown into the ocean, and it is gonna be a ocean waste. But Elon thinks that it's not gonna be good for the ocean, so he's making the rocket to land by itself. And after the multiple months of attempts, in the 2016, he finally made it. He successfully made the self-landing rocket, and it is also can be refurbished and to be used again. So he doesn't have to spend too much budget in building a new rocket. He can just he can just use the refurbished rocket. And then also don't forget about his other companies like Tesla. It is who doesn't know about Tesla? The most top selling electric vehicle, and then also the fastest electric vehicle until now. And then also he got the sport car that was built in full electric and zero carbon emission. And also his company Tesla is also making the the first electric car. And don't forget about all of his cars that has a feature like self-autonomous driving. So you don't have to drive your car, and then you can just sit back and relax and let your car drive you to wherever you want to go. And then his newest news about this guy is that he recently bought the Twitter and renamed it into X. And then also he's making the first rocket that could send people into Mars, that is Starship. And the conclusion about this guy is don't ever give up on your dream, and just let people think that you're crazy until you make it. I think that is enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.